Aw, yonke indawo kanti ngiyahlekisa. Hayi ke, shothi siyibambeke. Pretty. Ngiyawathanda ama-noodles ma. Timelang, I had promised ukuthi ngizobuya to explain ukuthi uTikTok uholelana kanjani. Ngifaka ngibatha lokho. You can ask for flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds. The Vancouver, pretty lady. Tumela aibo. Kandi. Sanmana ninja. So I had to master yo. It's giving me anxiety. A lot of things are giving me so much anxiety. It's giving me anxiety. I-clock yami esho ukuthi ngabe ngilala isikhalile. So technically mina ngilala half past 10. Zakuyantoni? Like kukhona ukudla okuphekiwe ne, but ngikhalile ngihalela ama-noodles. Ngihalela ama-noodles. I've got an obsession with ama-noodles. Someone does not see them. That's the one thing that she does when I see, but that is weird, is that she's obsessed with my noodles. And she's got a very weird way of preparing them. I'm gonna clear that today. I'm demanding my noodles. I'm abanik and I've been a marasha, I've been a prawns, I've been a young. So let me try and explain. So I'm gonna try and explain ukuthi yazi bengifisa uma ngabe kuthiwa ngiyakwazi ukuphina, but now I can't. Ikhona indlela ekwazi ukuphina. Let me see. Bukeka ingekho indlela yokwazi ukuphina, because I wanted to pin a picture that I just screenshot actually. No. So I wanted to pin a screenshot, guys. Right now, go TikTok Studio. There is a challenge, a corner where you could win yourself 800. Not winning, you're rewarded. 2-1. You could earn yourself 800 USD. That's 13,000 rand. 13,000 rand loy. And it's such a nice song. So you're working with artists. So artists are trying to promote their songs, and so they're asking abantu abano TikTok ukuthi basebenzise leyo ngoma leyo, and kuya ngama views ngisho ngathi laphana kuyi ngama likes, isikhathi esiningi kuya ngama views nje, uyabo. So I think they said they're giving 80 people, uyabo, 80 people imali iqala ku 20 USD up until 800 USD. So ngahlukahlukana khona, obviously izoya ngokuthi wena uthola ama views angakanani. So wenza kanjani ukuze ukwazi ukuyibona lento? Uyabona uma ku profile yakho la TikTok khona lama line amathathu lapha ngaseduze kokublock. Yabona nje uma ngabe ukwazi ukublock nje imsangane ehlezi khona la ku TikTok, kuba nama line amathathu lapha yana ngaku profile yakho. You click there. After clicking lawa ama line amathathu lapha ku profile yakho, on your top, what's this, top right corner ne, uya ku TikTok Studio. Mawuqeda kungena ku TikTok Studio, you scroll kuba into eningi lapha subscriptions, that's what you will scroll down, ubheke la bhalwe khona ukuthi ways to earn more money. Bese uya click lapha ku ways to earn more money, and then I think kuthiwa collab with artists. Mawungena ku collab with artists ila ngibona khona kunemali eningi. Mawungena lapha ku collab with artists ila khona ke kuveza ingoma njengamanje. So ngizothi ama campaign akhona njengamanje where the artist and their record labels are funding people to try and push their song on social media, on TikTok. Ngiyaphila Letitia, how are you? Hi mama, you can't be asking me that right now. But right now I'm using Eucerin. So I'm one person who has very, very beautiful skin texture. but I suffer from acne and dermatitis and inflammation. Okusho ukuthi ngiyaba nawo lawo ma-pimples ambadlwana. Angazi i-reaction allergy sukuyenziwe yini bese kuba nama-parts where siba dry, sifuna ukuba patchy bese siyahlubeka bese zingishiya namabala kakhulu lapho. However, uma ngabe siphela nje leyo process engajwayeli ukwenzeka but njengamanje ngibhekene nayo. My skin is very, very smooth when wabona isinqa sengane. Yeah, I think actually, I'm just going to do it simple today. Go back if not nani. You can ask for flowers, listen for hours, tell all the birds that really cool, pretty, pretty lady. Hey. I'm not madlala ama-games abawadlalayo TikTok, eh? Lama games were live. So amakadamshi madlala. Kumnikazi amakadamshi usestudio. Phela kunzima njengamanje. Ku-late. So nje a good 2 weeks mhlambe ngifana nokuthi ngihlalela ngedodololo ukubona ubhuti wala ekhaya. Yeah, so hayo njani ungene nini la since bengikubhekile ngithi uzongena ngo 8. To be honest with you, angifuqama bese ngithi ake ngisangena into engenisile yikho lokho ukukhumbula ukuthi hayibo bengithe ngizobuya ngizozama ukuthi ngimchazele ngendaba yokuthi wenza kanjani ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uhole. Ngicabanga ke zikhona izindlela zokuhola ko live but mina nje mangihleli nani ku live ngihlezi ngikhola into engekho. Ngiholo 1 cent okusho that is nonsense. Ngintshela ngale yo 800 USDs. Yabo akhokha bona ama USD phela bana khokha nangama euro nento kanjalo so angenzame yona ke. Okamlungwana njani? Baba. Kuthiwa mngani kaLihle Khumalo eni kazubani eni teaspoon ngiyaphila lokufakele yokuza ngiyadrive mina ngiyadrive petrol wami 2k ngiyadrive uyabona ukuthi ngathi uyisikele kwekunonini but ngiyadrive siphesihle awu scroll la mhlawumbe uzomthola ongamfakele yokuza Ganez Harris. Oh, hi Letu. What about Qatar? Yes, about so shy this got some. So I'm gonna have my noodles as well, very plain and simple and boring today, Qatar. And then I'm gonna have chamomile tea to just relax. Yeah, bo. So let us see in peace. Pray. Tomorrow I have a very, very busy day. It is overwhelming already. Makumele ngiphume nje endlini ngizwa ngishaya uvalo. Yabo. So but I mele ngiphume nje indlela ngiyenza ngayo. You can ask for flowers. I sing for us. Tell all the birds. Really cool for pretty, pretty lady. I'm so in love with you. This is liyakufanele iduke ngiyabonga icala namhlanje ngisengihlezi ngilifakile yazi and ngiyaluka mina I always do my hair right kuyaba ngikhaphile lo viki lele suke mhlawumbe ikhanda lami because it's sensitive to ikhanda lami I've got a lot of skin conditions so ikhanda lami ngabe lisensitive thola ukuthi angilukanga ke lapha because ngizama ukuthi nginike ukuphumula kancane but ngihlezi kumuntu olukile namanje nje ngilukile la ngaphansi however sengajwayela ukuhlala ngeduku ngihlezi nje ngihleli ngalo ngisho lobo umluku umusho bafika nje endlini ngishaka eduku akafaka u2k ka petrol yangithi yabona kusasa kuzobe sekukhala sekuthiwa i-rape you understand because ayiphelele 2k ya petrol kuphela umuntu mawuzombona kumele umfakele neyokuthi ayilungise abe muhle kuzobona wena yabo. I can't bengikhuluma nje manje nani ukuthi i-makeup yami engiyisebenzisayo, I can't use my makeup mhlambe naye nje uface sikhuluma ngo-3K uyabo, or my personal one mhlambe 5K iface nje engiyisebenzisayo i-makeup. Mhlambe sengifuna uku-installa futhi sikhuluma ngo-500 rand. Mhlambe ngifuna i-outfit entsha futhi because you know when I feel sexy ayesazi ukuba imalini leyo outfit. Ngiphathe nesikhwama sami neheel lami bese ngiyadrive uyabo, kuzobona umuntu ofuna ukungifakela imali yokuza. Hayi akabheka abanye, bakhona abanye akabheka abanye, but hayi la no angeke kehle. Usestudio Nzuzo, usestudio unjani nevoice kaNongcebo Wokhozi. Kazoba uNongcebo Wokhozi, and I've always been told ukuthi nginevoice yokusakaza. Ukuthi angilaleli umsakazo so I would angazi. Ngizazela utshatha nangathi utshatha unevoice engathi thanda ukuba ncane, so angibazi. Sawona sesimandla ngicela ungicelele uPhumlani angibize izibongweni December kuMfezi Emnyama. Mathemthem uyazi ke ngokuzwa kwaKhumalo abantu ababizayo kukhona iqhaza asuke belidlalile uyabo, like abagagulayo ngegama uyabo, kusuke kukhona iqhaza abalidlalile emculweni wakhe. So uma ngabe mhlawumbe ungamkhombisa wena uyabo, noma mhlawumbe ungimthumele mina iqhaza olidlalile wena obonayo ukuthi no, this is worthy ukuthi nje lifakwe igama lami, ayikho inkinga ngingakwenza lokho uyabo, ngingamtshela. But I can't just say yazi khona umuntu othi nje ngicela umbizi bese ayambiza yabo. Nomcebo Dlamini, ngiyabonga sithando sami, thank you so much. Socho zombone. Okay, right, ngizomcheck mama, ngizomcheck. Angeke silungeke lapho sinayo impela imali kodwa ha. Themba Mbathayi. Yabo, each to their own. Yabo, omunye nomunye akayisikelela akhona. Yabo, each to their own. Kubalekile lokho. Kubalekile ngempela. Each to their own. Ngiyabonga Mbali, thank you. Ngisacela ungibuzele kuKhumalo ukuthi umfaniswano utholakala kanjani, akaze angiphendule. So kukhona inamba ekhona kwiposter leyo mcimbi le. Ngisacela uWhatsApp leyo number leyo. Yabo, uzokwazi ukuthi uthole more information ngendaba yomfaniswano, because mangaphosisi there is something in the pipeline, excuse me, but it is specifically in line with indaba yomcimbi lo khona njengamanje yabo lozayo usigaba ngengoma. Bengingazi ukuthi ikhona nje umfaniswano nje wona uyabo, so shothi umfaniswano khona njengamanje ubranded yabo, ubranded uhambiselana nomcimbi. So but njengoba ngisho ukuthi unga WhatsApp la number leyana ikhona ku-poster nje, poster lesigaba ngengoma bazobe sebekulekelela ke. Oh, good night Goskon. Now I'm just gonna eat and ngimkhoba mobi yazi ukufuna ukudla mase ngilala. Ngangitshela nje ukuthi ngidla ngo-11 bengikhamisile nje sonke lesikhathi, but now I decided I want to eat. Hi Thandiwe, unjani? Sawona makhothi, ukhona yini umcimbi womfezi lo December nquthu City Hadebe? Yes ukhona, ngisacela please uchecke ama-page ethu sonke. Unga-check page la Khumalo wonke, check nelami page uzobona ukuthi umcimbi usukhona. We've posted nama-tickets asekhona, complete ticket. Right now kusekhona ama-early birds that are 100 rand. End of this month uyaphela u-early bird liyaqala liba 150. Egate I think lu 200. So yabo, nisheshe ke nenze kanjalo ke futhi si-enjoy sonke i-Christmas Eve. Amanda wendalo ngiyabonga But nje lihlezi ningibona ngikanje. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga. Yo, ayikona. Kuyazeleka. I don't even think I have any motivation or nothing. I really have nothing. Bekukona nje ngizophinda futhi abangena manje ukuthi uma ngabe ufuna ukuhola ku YouTube, ku TikTok, ngena ku profile yakho kukhona ama line lawa amathathu laphayana angaku top right corner yakho. You click on those lines, kuzovela I drop down. Noma kuzovela imenu anyana nje kuleyo menu leyo you will choose TikTok Studio. Ungena ku TikTok Studio, you scroll down bese ubheka earn more ways to earn. Bese uya ku collaborate with artist bese kuzobona ke lapho ufunda ama instructions eka lapho ukuthi wenza kanjani. So basically into abangakucala zona ukuthi isebenzise leyo ngoma leyo mhlawumbe ubhale iquote anyana encane yabo kuba yilokho nje and then mangabe ivideo yakhe ibachazele abantu ke ithole lawo ma views lawo ke hayi ke ziyakhalela ikanjalo nje indaba yabo. Yeah. Oh, Zianda, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga. Letitia, what do you mean you're copying even my attitude? Attitude yami njani? Oh, thank you. However, ngiyafisa ngathi you can find your identity. Or you'll do way much better once you've found your identity. Yes, it's nice mhlawumbe ukubukela kwabantu nani, but hopefully you do not want to find nomunye umuntu exactly because you can never do that, yabo. And you'll always just fall short. uNkulunkulu wathi masikhanda sonke with our own individual potential, individual and unique potential. Singenza nje into eyodwa thothi nje kukhona kodwa la hamba behluke khona. And uNkulunkulu did that on purpose, yabo. So I'm just hoping and I'm praying that you find that beautiful voice inside of you. It might be similar to mine, yabo, but I'm praying that you find that beautiful voice and just your identity and skyrocket from there. Lisa Studio, Manpower High, Sia Majola Ngiyabonga, Newcastle 5 Roses. Oh, guys, ngiyazela. Ngiyazela. And ngoba ngisho nje ukuthi kusasa ngoba nginosuku ngathi uthanda ukwabhizanyana shuthi kumele ngidle manje ngilale. Ngibukela iBig Bang Theory and then ngiyilalele. Hi Sanele. Njani? Bukhosi avumuhle ngitshontshe nje ifone kabhuti wami ukuthi ngizokutshela ukuthi ngiyakuthanda shem. Ubukhosi intombazane yini? Intombazana nami ngiyakuthanda. Umfana ngiyabonga bhuti. Can you please help me to promote my music here on TikTok? Okay, Manpower. Send lapha ku DM sibone ukuthi music wakho kanjani. Yeah, sibone. When are you having umembeso? Mankosi. Oh wow. Honestly, I'm not sure. And I think nginike i-time frame ya 3 years. Yeah, I think nginike i-time frame ya 3 years. Mina, yabo. I think no Khumalo kodwa naye because I think we've spoken about it. So sinike i-time frame ya 3 years. Sisazama ukuhlangana so kunye kumele kuhlangane uyabo. Besifise ngathi umembeso besingawenza sesiqalile sesakha umuzi wethu yabo. Hayi umuzi ka wabazali baphumlani njobe esawakha manje. Umuzi wethu. So noma ngathi ungakapheli but at least musuqalile. So niyazi ke guys mawakha nje umuzi ngempela kuyawuthatha nje no 5 years. So makuvuma uNkulunkulu uyabo kube kanjalo. Angifuni uku-overstay mangabe sekufika ama honeymoon and then sengithola now I need to overstay Khumalo kubo Khumalo uyabo. And ize mhlambi iflat singese ilidayise because phela yakwazi ukurentisa iflat but I don't think ukuthi la sifisa ukuhlala khona forever uyabo. So yikhona lokho ukuthi Mhlampe 3 years. Futhi mhlampe 3 years ngawo minimum. Mhlampe ngawo 3 or 5 years. I don't know. Mina ngijahile. Ayikho into engijahile kangako. I think as I grow up, I realized ukuthi marriage is so much more than just what you guys see on social media. Marriage is a very, very serious commitment. That requires a lot of things. Kuwesike mangabe uthandana ne breadwinner, uyabo, umuntu osamelwe ukuqula isimo sakubo konke lokho kulele emahlombe akhe. Uyabo, ngihlezi ngisho ke lento leyo ukuthi angifisi umuntu wami abukeke njengomuntu right yabo ebantwini, but ngiyafisa ukuthi abe umuntu right. So in the sense ukuthi his responsibilities must still be met. Now the other problem is that I'm a very ambitious person, so and I've got so many responsibilities and I have got so many goals that I, before umuntu wesilisa, have wanted to meet. Uyabo, have wanted to achieve. And so nje kuba nalawa ma dynamics lawa enza when you're in a relationship, especially most of semshadweni, it becomes a bit more complicated because suke seqala nina instead of I. Yabo, suke seqala we instead of I. So mina, for me, ngingasho ukuthi it did delay a few things, yabo. And so kwangenza nje ngakwazi ukuthi ngithatha umhlala phansi ngikhokha umoya ayikho into ejahwayo, yabo. Because now ukujaha izinto nokutatazela yiko lokho kwenza ukuthi nithi nje maniqeda ukushada bese ngiya divorce. Because manje ke, one, you probably were not ready emotionally, financially, spiritually, in every other way. And if you want to get financially, iy'nkinga zemali ziyaxakana, ziya-emotion nje relationship beniyitshela ukuthi right, uyabo. So it's just nje ukuya ngolonwabo. When God orders me to do things, He will make the things to be done around me bese ngiyenza-ke. But other than that, there's just no pressure, especially when it comes to relationship. I am happy. I can truly say uKhumalo uyangithanda. Yabo, lokho engikushoyo akusho ukuthi mhlambe ngithi uperfect, yabo, noma ngazi yonke into and what not, but izinto asezenzile have proven to me time and time again ukuthi uyangithanda. So it ukushada, I think sesenzela abantu. I think ukushada noma iwona umembeso nani sesenzela abantu, sesenzela amadlozi, sesenzela umndeni, yabo, nabazali bami, because mhlawumbe basakholela kukho lokho, yabo. But it's not really for me. Mina honestly nginitshele nje iqiniso, I am lacking the idea of the signing ceremony. Yabona nje lento esikhona njengamanje, where you invite your 10 most important people and then nomfundisi, and then you guys sign. Phelele lapho. Mini vibe yami leyo. Yabo, futhi nje kwakhona nje ukuthi babe khona kwabantu angicabangi ngathi singamlanda kwamfundisi simlethela endlini la sign-ela endlini silale phansi. Mina I'm okay with that. But isiZulu angithi nisho njalo iculture, abaphansi, umndeni iwona ofuna umembeso. So it's fine. Soyimosha ke imali for madlozi nomphakathi nomndeni, yabo, umosha imali ngako 300,000 mhlawumbe. So mosh, it's fine. But ayikho pressure, ayikho pressure. And time again uyabuka ukuthi there's so many people la mina futhi engibaziyo on a personal level who abajaha ukuyenza lento yomembeso manje basathandana, yabo. So even that nje uyaletha uvalo and fear yokuthi ungayijahi izinto, yabo, ungayijahi. So yeah, wait, this is Sammy. Who's Sammy? Makulotsholiwe nje akunandaba kimi vele ngumXhosa, but ke ngoba ngigane nomZulu ngathi yi-must kubo nolu. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Vele ke kuyi-must phela ngokwesintu, yabo. But mina I think seningibonile ukuthi isintu kumina is not that deep. It's not that deep. Mina I do what makes me happy. Mina noNkulunkulu wami nje masimjojo. Okunye nokunye, it's whatever. Yabo, angibadeli laba kwenzayo, it's fine. Sizokwenza phela abazali mebephoqa. But it's not that deep. Lento zesintu, it's not that deep. As you grow, uyabo. ezinye izinto they're not that deep. Siyazenza nje because umphakathi uthi asizenze, but azinamsebenzi. Futhi sometimes uma ujaha ukuzenza-ke bukisa ngawo. Ngizonibona-ke zithando 1% ivele lento yami. So ngizodla ngilale nibe nosuku oluhle ngakhohlwa ukuthandaza, and tomorrow is a brand new day. uNkulunkulu mekuvusile, it means ukunikile elinye ithuba lokuguqula impilo yakho. Asikho nje isimo ekumele ngabe siyakuhlula, futhi asikho isimo esikwazi ukukuhlula. It all starts with the mindset. Noma ngathiwa kunzima kangakanani, okwazi ukuthi uma ukwazi ukuthi awuwedwa. Sibaningi khona inkinga ehlezi sibhekane nazo. But we wake up each morning and we choose to show up, because we are not defined by our circumstances. We are also not defined by our feelings. We are also not defined by what has happened to us. We are defined by why we choose to believe. We are defined by what we choose to define ourselves by. So if I say I am a conqueror, if I say I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and it shall be so. Right. Good night.